time to start our cilantro. Let's go.
Hello everyone, welcome to Young Snacks.
If you want to grow a better garden, plant the subscribe button and also comment all your questions in the comment section below. We answer all the comments. We're going to be growing 20,000 plants and over 200 varieties. And we're going to start them all in these 231 cell root trainer plug trays. And we will grow them all in less than 100 square foot, equivalent to a 10 by 10 bedroom. If you'd like to see how we pull that off, subscribe to the channel. All right, let's head outside to our bales of soil. We use Pro Mix. If you'd like to save some money, increase your germination, and grow healthier, stronger, and more plants, watch to the end of the video, because this video is stuffed with pro tips. Potting soil you like. We just like to use the Pro Mix BX. Alright, we got our bucket filled. We'll head inside. Quick pro tip: never buy seed starting mix. All you have to do is take your potting mix of your choice and sift it. That's what the pros do. That's what we do. After you finally sifted your potting mix or your seed starting mix, potting mix and seed starting mix are hydrophobic. So we're going to come over here and we're going to put some hot water on it, because hot water will absorb into the potting soil faster than cold water. So we'll pour this in and mix it and hydrate the soil. We have our seed starting mix, potting mix, all mixed together. Now we're going to fill our trays. We just throw a bunch soil on the top, and we'll sort it out here in a little bit. We'll finish up this tray. And we'll come back with another pro tip. Now that we have our tray completely covered here, what you want to do is find a container or anything that would nest into the pots you're using to start your seeds, or the trays, because you do not want to go and push down individually all these trays, all these cells in the tray. So what we're going to do is we're going to put one of the same trays on top, and then we're just going to give it a press it down. And then when you lift it up, what that's going to give you is little squares for you to drop your seeds right into. The variety of cilantro that we are growing is Santo. Here's what the cilantro seeds look like. It's just basically coriander right now. I'm just going to drop a few in here. If we have to, we'll just thin these out later. It's not a big deal. That's how we're gonna So are cilantro seeds. We like to cover our seeds with vermiculite. It cuts down on fungus gnats, algae, and root rot. We'll just cover the whole tray here. And we're going to put them in our unheated greenhouse inside our garage. And we'll leave them here until we turn on our lights closer towards spring. And for the final pro tip, if you made it this far in the video, this tip is definitely a game changer. We stopped using humidity domes and we moved on to greenhouse plastic. We just lay the greenhouse plastic over top and it insulates and locks in the moisture.